Sasha Skliar, and I have the perfect invention for you. The sewing machine. You might be asking yourself, what is a sewing machine and what can I possibly ever need it for? Well, has this ever happened to you? Crooked stitching. Isn't that the worst? Now, sharks, what if I told you there was a solution to the absurdity that is hand sewing? I present the complex work of art, the lock stitch sewing machine. This sewing machine takes two pieces of thread and locks them together on a piece of fabric, creating the perfect stitch. And the machine is so easy to use, a baby could do it. Sharks, I am looking for $450,000 and a 15% stake in my company. We are planning on selling thousands of my machines, and the success my machines will make, we can make millions.